What is going on, everybody? Flashark reached out to us and asked if we would like to try out some of their headlights. And you know what? The old F350, she does not have very good lights at night. So we're gonna go ahead and try these out and see how they do. And I'll give you all my honest opinion. All right, so at first sight, we have these things here. A lot of LED lights I've had in the past have a box that's not built into them. This one's built into it, so that's kind of cool. And then, you know, your normal plug. Overall, it's all metal. This trim ring right here is plastic. That's pretty standard, I feel like. So let's go ahead and try to pop these suckers in. So if you're doing these into a 7.3 or a F350 in general, F250, process is still going to be the same. If you look at your headlights from the front, you can see where the bulb is. The bulb's on the outer side of them. So if you follow it back, there's a trim ring right there. You have to twist that trim ring and then the bulb will be able to come out. So basically what you're doing is, you see how there's like little slots in there? There's 3 little slots. You have to get the trim ring lined up so that you can pull them out. That side's kind of a pain because if you have a diesel, the battery's right there and it's like right up against where you need to get to. This one, there's also a battery on this side, but it's a lot easier to get to. There's less stuff over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the passenger side first. That took all of like 3 seconds. Here's a headlight that we have now. So I should be able to unplug the back. There's a little clip we got to undo, and then it should just be able to slide right on out. Now when we go to install our new one, this trim ring right here I thought was to adjust the beam, but it said this can come off. We're gonna go ahead and slide our bulb up into here like so, and then go ahead and put that trim ring back on and lock it down in place. I might have to do it this way. Yep, there it goes. Now all that is in there and we should be able to just pop her back in place. All right, so here's our stock fluorescent bulb and here's the Flashark one we just put in, and it is like crystal clear white. We'll have to take it out at night and see what the difference is. It's not picking up that much on camera, but that one's significantly brighter than the stock unit. All right, I waited. It's like 10:30 at night and we're driving, and this is a dramatic difference from the stock lights. I don't know how much the camera's picking it up, but I can actually see stuff at night now, which is pretty cool, because before I could basically see, I don't know, maybe 20 feet in front of me, and now we're seeing pretty far down the road. So I would say just swapping to a LED light like the Flashark lights is a pretty drastic upgrade. I know a lot of guys switch the actual headlights themselves, like the actual headlights, not the bulbs. So that's always an option too, but for me, this will work. This is far superior to what they were. Overall, I'd say I definitely am happy with these. It's definitely a dramatic upgrade. If you guys have these trucks, you know that the headlights are not the best. So this definitely does the thing. You can see how bright they are right there when I take that turn. But that's it for this one, y'all. I appreciate it. Thanks Flashark for sending me these. I'll catch y'all on the next one. See ya.